Wow! The world's first and only 100% safe and natural proprietary, patent-pending formula, combined with coffee, can increase both the speed and efficiency of your metabolism, and instantly boosting your health, energy, and well-being at the same time. There's never been anything even close, and tens of thousands of everyday women and men can attest to great fulfillment in. It electrifies your metabolism, torches off fat from your problem areas, while enjoying incredible all-day energy, reducing hunger, and improving your health. Could not be any simpler, easier, or more automatic. Just enjoy your morning cup of coffee with an instantly dissolvable, tasteless packet of the Burn. After drinking your morning cup of Joe, go about your day and let the formula do the rest. Want to learn more? Just tap or click below and we will see you on the other side.